Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Guys, asikhulumeni ngoQolani Khumalo. Ubani uQolani Khumalo? Xolani Khumalo uyi-TV presenter and media personality. Watalwa 16 May 1990. Udume ngani? Ujwayeleke ngani? Saqala ukumbona. Xolani Khumalo waduma ngale show yakhe ethi Sizokuthola. This is a show labadila khona nebantu labathengisa tidakamizwa. 2023 show yakhe yavele yadraw i-attention yabantu labaningi, bantu bayithanda, bantu bayilandzela. But bukeleni leya show, yena ekuraneni leya show tiningi tinto letenteka, so many cases, assault, kuthi bantu bayakhala bathi bona nasekwenta lama-show lawa uyabahlukumeza njalo 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 njalo, even including ma-case ekubulala. 2023 July ngoba ne-incident eKatlehong lapho Khumalo ne-production team yakhe baba involved ku-confrontation la bebakonfronta khona uRobert Kicks Vari la bekasuspectwa ngokuthi naye uyidila yaleti tinto letibulala live lethu kuleya show Sizokuthola eKatlehong eGauteng. So kuthiwa lapho akusakonfrontwana kusayendana njani njani wabese uyadubuleka then uyashona. Kwaba ne-case levulwako against uKhumalo ne-team yakhe, uma ngithi uKhumalo ngisho uXolani. Babavulela i-case yokuthi babulele, barobhile, baphinde benta umonakalo lomkhulu like malicious damage la bebabhizi khona. Sathi saseyincane September 2023 Khumalo wahamba otinikele emaphoyiseni ngoba kuthiwa bekune-case lebe ivulelwe yena and waphinde wagrantwa i-bail waba ngaphandle. 22 February 2024 ma-proceedings aleya case kaVari uRobert lo wabulawa eKatlehong apostponwa bese kwathi kusenjalo kwaba nema-investigations kwakungavakali kusukenzakalani. 3 July 2024 Khumalo waya kovela futhi ecourt ePalm Beach Magistrate Court lapho ama-charges akhona nawo bekafana ncamashi nale incident leyendeka le 2023. Kwathi ngo-April 14 2025 ngoba ne-National Prosecuting Authority provisionally leyangenelela yathi uma ingenelela ya-withdraw lawo macala ekubulala, e-robbery nalawe malicious damage. Kwathiwa hhayi u-free angasahamba aqhubeke nempilo yakhe, aqhubeke nomsebenzi wakhe. So leyo decision leyo ngiyo leyamenda ukuthi aphinde abuyele back kuma-screens wethu nale show yakhe Sizokuthola, qhubeka washutha futhi again ku-season yes-4. Recently kune-case futhi lekhona leseyendekile 16 to 19 January kwaba ne-assault firearm allegations leya reportwa ukuthi Khumalo ube involved kuyo into njalo. Wahamba uGuy wayotimikisa emaphoyiseni again. Isho ukuthi kule nto yokutimikisa emaphoyiseni hhayi isho ukuthi iyamsebentela usuke afuna ukuprove ukuthi kudele ukufihlako kudele okulona cause mina busy na-listing anti-drug what lapho la kuvimba khona ukuthi ama-drugs angaqhubeki if nangabe ukuthi awathengisa uyadelwa yabo into letinjalo. Yena ulisana nokuthi laba labachamuka ngaphandle bafike la batothengisa tinto mabatithengisa tibe sesitibulala abantwana bethu. Na late January Khumalo uye kotimikisa futhi emaphoyiseni and wavela ecourt cause ma-charges ala bekathiwa i-assault nokuthi lo muntu ulimele kakhulu emtimbeni, ushajwe kakhulu and pointing a firearm ukuthi bese nabamshaya babese bamkhomba nangesibhamu. Leyo case isese kuma-investigation basa-investigate ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakaleni. So i-recent case lenye Sunday 8 February 2026 kwaba nekudubula lokukhona e-Randburg la khona a 45 years old Nigerian man Emeka Clement Ozo wadutshulwa while ahlele emotini apaka imoto yakhe. It was around 3 p.m. Bekune-anti-drug operation and lapho bekufilima yona isizokuthola that show, and amaphoyisa aconfirmile ukuthi allegedly lawo ma-gunshots leto tibhamu betitutshula ngulaba labashuthako labe-production leyangale ma-security abo. And kuthiwa uXolani bekakhona kule scene. Obviously vele ngeke ahlala angabi khona, angithi bekushuthwa ishow yakhe, so bekumele abe khona guys. Kwathiwa nalapho kuvulwa amaqala, so kuningi lokwendakalako ngale show le. And abantu bavakala badivayidekile kuma-socials ukuthi ku-social media ukuthi when it comes to this case le endeke recently asimsoli because these guys balayisha into tabo le babiye nato la batobulala abantu bethu. So if Xolani athi sitomsupporta, we are 100% behind him ukuthi no, abakwazi ukuthi bona njalo makwento ama-case bagijime bayovula amacala. So guys, indzaba kaXolani ikhulu because njalo makutoba na something kumele naye abesethola investigation. But leya show leya, if nangabe bekunebantu ababambisana naye, tinto betitoba ngconywana. Guys, that's the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ndonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.